In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make a low-calorie version of one of my favorite vegetarian appetizers, paneer tikka, all in the comfort of your own kitchen. Let's go! Hey, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another recipe. I am so excited about this one. Oh my god, paneer tikka. Who doesn't like them? The softness in the paneer along with the spices and the tandoori flavor, they can be addictive. Wouldn't you want to have them while you're dieting and trying to lose weight too? Well, you don't worry, my friend, because today we are going to be making some delicious low-calorie paneer tikka with all the calories and the macros calculated for you. And all you really need to do is figure out how many calories you should be eating each day to hit your fitness goals and add such appetizers or other low-calorie meals that I have on my channel to your diet and continue to make gains. You're happy, I'm happy, and it's a win-win for both. Alright, moving on to the ingredients, we will need 200 grams of cubed low-fat paneer. This is the brand I went with. Then equal number of cubed bell peppers and onions. So if you have 10 cubes of paneer, then you will also want 10 cubed capsicum and 10 cubed onions. 170 grams of non-fat yogurt, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, half a lemon, and followed by a bunch of spices as mentioned here. So first, in a bowl, let's add the yogurt, ginger garlic paste, and all the other spices that we mentioned earlier. To that, let's add 1 teaspoon of salt for taste and mix it all up thoroughly. Then we will add the paneer, bell peppers, and onions into the mix. And set the marinade aside for about 30 minutes. Time to then bake these up. So coat some cooking spray if you'd like on a parchment paper, and feel free to use skewers. I didn't have skewers, so instead I used toothpicks. But yeah, you can follow a pattern if you'd like. I went with onions first, along with the bell pepper, and finally a cube of paneer on each toothpick. And once you have it set up, bake at 45 degrees for about 25 to 30 minutes or until the edges of the paneer turn golden brown. And that's pretty much it, guys. Your paneer tikka is all set. Alright guys, finally moving on to the calories and the macros for this recipe. So you want to divide this entire recipe into 2 servings. So if you used 10 toothpicks, 1 serving is 5 toothpicks. And the total calories is about 370, of which 10 grams are carbs, 25 grams are fat, and 30 grams are protein. And with that, guys, we come to the end of this video. Do try the recipe out. It is one of my favorite. Since you have everything already calculated for you, all you need to do is make it, enjoy it, and just track the calories. It's as simple as that, guys. As long as you are eating within your calorie limit, you will hit your fitness goals. So with that being said, do try the recipe out. If you do, please tag me on Instagram, and you take care, you stay safe, and I will see you in the next video.